Let's start with the Galaxy Buds. Who made the design for this box? Hearts in a random pattern, chicken pox on the top and bottom. Oh, I get it. It's connect the dots. It's M for
Mom, can you please buy these for me?
I love how Samsung has to say their competitor's name, otherwise no one would buy these. What's the point of this? Buds? More like duds. What's in this? Kim Jong-un is not dead. What's in this box? Looks like it's a cheap case for the Buds. I purple you. Now what the hell does that mean? To give someone a bruise? Pretty durable. Oh my god, there was a tracking device under this sticker. This is why you can't trust BTS. Different sized ear tips? Buyers of these will probably have to use the smallest ones, since their ears aren't big enough to hear good music. Oh my god, oh my god! USB-C cable. No BTS branding on it, so I will have no shame in keeping it and using it. What's in this little package? Worst Pokemon cards ever. Half of them are asleep, and half of them look tired of this shit. And here are the Buds themselves. In this cheap, shiny-looking plastic. Is that a scratch already? Yep. Now that's a week's worth of use already. How much effort does this take to break off? Huh. And here are the Buds themselves, with the same material as the case. I see. Let's see how they sound on my Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Now, let's look at the main event. It's a fish. Printed with soy. Of course it was. Big hit? Don't mind if I do. Warning, reproductive harm. Come on, this is way too easy. Another useless box cover. Oh, I see. The holes in the cover was right over this purple logo. What a cool effect that many more trees had to die for. Kinda looks like the entire box is covered with white heads. Ugh. What's in this box? A case? That's too generous of them. They know what I'm gonna do to the phone in the durability tests. Whoops, spoilers. Stickers! Too bad it's the Samsung emojis. The worst ones. The band's names! Who names their child a singular letter? He must deal with a lot of fraud. I believe in your galaxy. Now what the hell does that mean? All this stuff sounds like the result of Google Translate. I'll save these for later. Ooh, cigarettes? I need some, thank you. Oh great, more cards. Can I trade you my sleeping grandma for your shiny Charizard? What do you mean I can't trade agents for anything? Are you saying they're worthless? Which one's cuter? And now, for the main event. Wait, 5G, please fry my brain now. Oh no, they infected the insides of the phone too. I think it means that Galaxy phones are so unreliable that Samsung employees have to lie and say they believe in it.
Let's look at the terms and
Shut up, Jimin.
Yes, BTS, please take all my personal data.
No, I don't want to know when the next concert is. No, I don't want to sign in. My search history is already screwed up from me doing BTS research for this video. Yes, BTS, know where I am at all times. I hope this gets lost or stolen. Actually, I kind of want to try the in-screen fingerprint scanner, so... Oh my god, so magical. Where's the BTS stuff? Who the hell wants a Samsung account? Oh my god, not Samsung Internet. Finally, BTS stuff. Is that when the band would die out? Mark that in my calendar. Yes! Apply that bruise color theme. Did a f***ing child draw these icons? Apparently so. Oh great. They changed the color palette to shades of bruise. I want to try the 120Hz refresh rate. Whoa. Can't you guys see how smooth it is through the 30 FPS frame rate? I don't know if I like that typing sound effect. Kinda sounds like drumsticks on a table. I don't know if you can see, but this device also has a screen protector already installed. Too generous! Now how the f is this lock screen supposed to be inspiring? That's cool, I gotta admit. Any other special wallpapers? Oh no! Looks like there isn't any other ones! 911 help! I'm shaking and crying right now! Of course the phone app has the BTS theme also. It sounds like someone banging a drum every time you open an app. There's a drummer in that band, right? Any special BTS ringtones? Why, yes there is! My favorite BTS song. Shut up! Annoying. Why do they keep on expecting that this phone's target consumer base can read? Ugh. My god, I swear there's like 3 different app stores on this phone. I'm a BTS already, yeah! Thank you, Google Play, for stopping the copyright. To use this app, you have to go through 2 different app stores. Wonderful. Shut up, shut up! Which character should I choose to fight to the death? Let's go with GTA 5. Oh my god, it's like he's really there. Let's see my boy Jimin. That review says he doesn't look like himself. Let's see. He's flipping me off.